Welcome to DIY Tech. Amped Wireless AP20000G Setup Guide. Connect the access point to your router/network. Unbox the router. Attach the antennas. Plug in the power adapter. Connect the access point to your router's network, LAN, port, or a network switch. Allow up to 3 minutes for the access point to automatically configure itself to your network. Connect your computer to the access point. Wireless connections. Connect your PC to one of the following network, Amped_AP_2.4 GHz or Amped_AP_5.0 GHz. Wired connections. Attach any wired devices to the access point using an Ethernet cable. Note: if your network uses static IP address assignments, you will need to manually configure the settings for your access point. See the instructions on the back to access the configuration menu. Optional configurations: accessing the dashboard, web menu. Connect to the access point using a network cable or scan for available wireless networks on your PC and connect to. Open your web browser. Enter the web address into your address bar http://setup.ampedwireless.com. If the URL fails to open, then try http://192.168.80.240. Welcome to the dashboard. The dashboard provides you with a quick glance at your system status. Set the system clock time. The system clock is used for system logs and setting schedules for internet access. Click Sync to synchronize the system clock with the time on your computer. Click Next to continue. Configure your wireless settings. The access point creates two Wi-Fi networks, a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and a 5.0 GHz Wi-Fi network. The IDs of your Wi-Fi networks are Amped_AP_2.4 GHz and Amped_AP_5.0 GHz. The default security key for both networks is wireless. To change it, enter a new key in the security key field. Click Next to apply your settings. The access point will reboot. The web menu will now apply your settings. This process may take up to 90 seconds. Do not refresh the web page. The page will automatically reload with the summary. The setup summary provides you with information regarding your current settings. Thanks for watching.